Have you ever wondered why rich people are getting richer in life? In next 60 seconds, I'll be revealing the secret of financial independence to you. Forex trading is such a skill where you can earn 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 or 50,000 per day. But for that, you need a skill. And three most important things you need to learn properly. First, you need to learn secret of forex trading. Second, trading is not overnight journey. To become successful trader, you need to have patience. Third, you need to have mentor who can guide you properly time to time. Hi, my name is Sangram Gore. I am a CEO of Forex Trading Institute. We represent best financial institute in India with more than 5,000 students in India and abroad. And I am happy to tell you that recently we received Best Financial Institute in Pune award from business community. So I welcome you all for next forex trading webinar of 1 hour where I will be revealing the secret of forex trading. So don't miss this opportunity and join us now. Thank you very much.